How to hide your channel's subscriber count. Just so you see it does work, I'm going to open up a video on my channel in an incognito tab. And you see right under my channel name, TechaHertz, you see my subscriber account, 23. On your YouTube page, click the channel icon on the top right side, click YouTube Studio, and on the bottom left side you'll see a settings tab. Click on that, and then you go to the channel tab, advanced settings, scroll down, and you'll see something that says subscriber account. You want to uncheck it, and then make sure you hit save, and that's it. Settings saved. Now let's go back to the incognito tab to see if it did work. Refresh, scroll down, and there you go. Nothing underneath your channel name. Now if you did find this video useful, hit the like button and consider subscribing so that one day I don't have to hide my subscriber count.